As patron of Kidsafe Queensland, I'm very pleased to be officially launching this important publication, the Best Practice Guide for the Design of Safe Infant Sleeping Environments. At the outset, I congratulate the Board of Kidsafe Queensland on taking the initiative to develop a guide which can contribute immediately to reducing the risk of fatal sleeping accidents in infants. Fortunately, research and excellent public education programs over the last 2 decades have produced a dramatic decline in the number of babies dying suddenly and unexpectedly in Australia, thanks in large part to the efforts of organisations such as Kidsafe in Queensland and other states. Their action has drawn much needed attention to unsafe sleeping practices for infants, but more still needs to be done, particularly in Indigenous communities and in remote and lower socioeconomic areas where the death rate remains unacceptably high. And that is where this guide is so critically important, not only for families and those working with children, but for manufacturers, designers, retailers, community organisations and the general public who may be unwittingly putting the lives of infants at risk through unsafe products. It will help immeasurably in increasing understanding, identifying strategies and developing standards that can improve the safety of children that all-important first year of life. In my career as a doctor and medical administrator, I saw firsthand the distress and trauma suffered by parents who lose a child through unsafe sleeping practices. So I'm very proud and pleased as both patron of Kidsafe Queensland and as Governor to see this excellent guide produced. Many infant deaths can be prevented simply by ensuring a safe sleeping environment, but Australia is currently rated 12th of the 36 OECD countries for infant deaths. That may put us well ahead of the US, which is currently in 33rd position, but we remain well behind Iceland, which sits in first position with its enviable rate of just 0.7 deaths per 1,000 live births. Through its multifaceted, collaborative approach and strong advocacy, Kidsafe Queensland is helping Australia to reach that level. The Best Practice Guide is an invaluable tool in the process. It is my great pleasure to commend and officially launch the guide and to congratulate everyone involved in producing it.